Can you record your screen with CapCut PC? So if you want to do so, all you need to do, just go and open your CapCut application in your PC. So once you do so, you'll find yourself in such a screen. Make sure to go and create for you a new project. Of course, for me, I do have here a blank project that has nothing, but of course, if you want, you can just go and create a new one. As you can see, nothing here. So how can you record your screen with CapCut PC? All you need to do, just go to the top right corner of CapCut and here you'll find the record button. Once you go and click on that, as an example, this will open something for you. So just give it some 2 seconds. And I don't know if you notice, but here, of course, if you have multiple screen, you'll have to choose the screen that you want to record. For me, I choose the screen and here I will hit the start recording option. As you can see, they'll give me 3 seconds. So 3, 2, 1, and I'll be able to record at 2 hours of my screen. And of course, I'll be able to pause it if I want to do something and then resume it whenever I want. I can also turn off my microphone and camera if I want to. For me, I did not even give them permission, so it's not even on both of them. Of course, once you're done with your recording, all you need to do, just hit the stop recording button. And as you can see here, you'll be able to have a preview of the video that you just recorded. You can also add text to speech as an example if you were saying something in that video. And now you can simply just download it or edit it more if you want to edit it more in CapCut. Finish your editing, you can export it wherever you want, and then you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.